Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you the easiest way to sync analog and digital time together as well as help you to set time. As you share on the video, I got SKMEI 2328 model watch where digital time is showing 6:50 and the analog is different. So we will learn both alignment as well as setting time and date on this watch. So let's get started. The very first step is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me where hour minute is given on the display. If you are in different function, you have to press left side down button as shown on the video. This is world time, this is another function, and this is timer mode, this is alarm. Press one more time. Now this is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here, you have to press and hold right side down button for few seconds. You will hear beep sound for twice. Once and twice, where you will get a chance to set hands. You can see here on the video the hour hand and minute hand have started moving clockwise. You got two buttons, right on the top and another left on the top. If you are moving clockwise, use this right side top button to stop it as you see here. And if you press one by one, you can go clockwise step by step as shown on the video. And if you want to again gain the speed as before, hold it for a few seconds, you will reach that. Now you can use this left side top button to stop it and use step by step to go anti-clockwise. And if you hold it, you can gain the speed anti-clockwise movement. But for now I'm going to use clockwise movement, so using right side top button so that I could adjust and perfectly align that hour and minutes hand towards 12. So once you come nearby to the 12, we have to stop that hour and minutes hand. So let it go fast. So here I am almost near to the 12. I'm going to hold it, press this right side top button to stop that hour and minutes hand movement. Now press that one by one so that you could perfectly aligned. And if you are using anti-clockwise movement, use left side top button. But for now I'm using clockwise movement, so I'm using this right side top button. You have to perfectly align towards 12 o'clock as shown on the video. You can see here. So it is perfectly aligned. Once you come here, you have to press right side down button as shown on the video. Then automatically it adjusts according to the digital time. Currently it is showing 6:52. The analog time will also automatically adjust it towards 6:52. Let's go faster. You can see here this is 6:53 now. Now let's understand how to set time according to your capital city or your country. Now to adjust time and date, you have to come in timekeeping mode like me where hour, minute and seconds have been shown on the digital display. If something other is mentioned, you have to press left side down button to come in actual timekeeping mode like me. This is world time, this is stopwatch, this is timer mode, this is alarm, and this is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here where you have to press right side down button and hold it for a few seconds, you will hear beep sound for once, where you will get a chance to select the capital city of your country. Use right side top button to go forward as shown on the video. You can see here, simply press one by one to go forward and use left side top button to go backward. So from where you can adjust or select your capital city of the country. Then after selecting this, press left side down button where you have to leave this turn off. Press one more time that left side down button. You will get chance to adjust hour format. 12 hour is blinking. Use that right side top button to switch between 12 and 24. For now I'll keep 12 hour. Now after this, press left side down button again where you will see the seconds have started blinking. To adjust it or to reset it towards 0, press right side top button. Whenever I press this, you can see here again it makes seconds 0. After this, to adjust hour and minute, press left side down button. Hour have started blinking. You can see here on the video. Press right side top button to go ahead. If nothing is mentioned, this means this is AM. And if I cycle through this, you will reach towards PM where small icon of P is mentioned on the digital display just behind hour. Use that right side top button to go ahead. Now press left side down button to adjust minute. Use same right side top button to go ahead, and you can use left side top button to go backward for your adjustment. Now press left side down button. Here you will get chance to select year. Follow the same step. Press right side top button to go ahead and left side top button for backward movement. Select your desired calendar year. Press right side top button for now so that you could adjust 2026. Then after press left side down button, you will get chance to select month. Press right side top button to go ahead and left side top button to go backward as I told before. Now to adjust days, you have to press left side down button again. You can see here days have started blinking. Use that same right side top button to go ahead and left side top button to go backward. After this, press left side down button one more time. To keep this all adjustment whatever you have did fixed, press right side down button at the end. You will see the adjustment is fixed over here, and the analog time will also be sync according to the digital time. So if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching till the end.